Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost iPhone with Apple Watch instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost iPhone using your Apple Watch, begin by ensuring your Apple Watch is charged and within range of your iPhone. Raise your wrist or tap the screen to wake your Apple Watch. Locate the ping button on your Apple Watch. The ping button looks like a phone icon with sound waves around it. Tap the ping button. Your iPhone will emit a loud pinging sound. Listen for the sound to help guide you to your iPhone's location. If your iPhone is nearby, follow the sound. Once you reach your iPhone, simply pick it up. If your iPhone doesn't ping, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Swipe up on your Apple Watch screen to access the control center. Check the Bluetooth icon to confirm it's turned on. If it's off, tap it to enable Bluetooth. If your iPhone is out of range, use the Find My app on your Apple Watch. Open the Find My app from the app screen on your Apple Watch. Select the Devices tab to see a list of your Apple devices. Find your iPhone in the list of devices. Tap on your iPhone's name. Choose Play Sound to make your iPhone ring even if it's on silent. Listen carefully for the ringing sound. If still unable to locate your iPhone, you might consider using the map feature within the Find My app. This will show the last known location of your iPhone. Follow the map's directions to find your device. If your iPhone is powered off or not connected to Wi-Fi, the last known location will help. Once you have successfully found your iPhone, take a moment to ensure it's secure. Consider placing your iPhone in a dedicated spot to avoid losing it again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.